Hello class 1, how are you children? I think you all are keeping well. So today we will do the revision of English literature class subject. Okay, so this is your English literature book and we will do the revision of page number 2020. So open your book at page number 2020. Okay, this is the back exercise of chapter 1, inside Aisha's house. Okay, we have done this chapter inside Aisha's house. So today we will do the revision of page number 2020, that is grammar time. Okay, now children, as you all know that we are going to start with our exam unit test, isn't it? So I hope you all are ready, you are preparing yourself, and for your kind information I am telling you, you will get the question before the exam. You have got the schedule, okay, the date and time of examination. So on the same day you will get, I know you have already got a group, isn't it? We'll have a WhatsApp group where we will send the questions, and you have to write down the answer, take the photograph of this in the form of PDF or simple in the form of image. You can send it to the email address I will send you. So below the question paper you will get one email address where you have to send the question answers, or not questions, the answers that you have written for the questions given, okay, within the time limit. Okay, the time period is mentioned there. From 9 you are going to start with, so up to 10:45 I hope. So before 10:45 you have to submit it in the form of PDF, or you can simply take the image and send it through email, and the email address you will get there. So parents, আমি বলছি যে উই আর গোয়িং টু স্টার্ট, আমাদের এক্সাম শুরু হচ্ছে। তো আমি আপনাদের ইংলিশ লিটারেচারটা নেব। তো সেম ডে আমি কোয়েশ্চেন পেপার পাঠিয়ে দেব হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ গ্রুপে। তো ওরা কোয়েশ্চেন পেয়ে দে উইল রাইট দ্য আনসার্স। ওরা শুধু আনসারগুলো লিখবে, জাস্ট সি দ্যাট দে আর রাইটিং দ্য কারেক্ট আনসার নাম্বারগুলো যেন ঠিকঠাকভাবে ওরা লিখে আফটার দে ফিনিশ করার পর ছবি তুলে ওটা একটা ইমেল অ্যাড্রেস দেওয়া হবে। ওই ইমেল অ্যাড্রেসে আপনারা সাথে সাথে মানে একটা টাইম লিমিট থাকবে, যেটা পরীক্ষার ডিউরেশন থাকে, সেই ডিউরেশনের মধ্যেই আপনাদেরকে ওটা সেন্ড করে দিতে হবে। ঠিক আছে, টাইম লিমিটটা ক্রস করবেন না। টাইম হয়ে যাবে বিফোর 10:45 ইজ দ্য টাইম অফ সাবমিশন। সো যদি আগে হয়ে যায় আগেই পাঠিয়ে দিতে পারবেন, আর যদি ধরুন 10:45 শেষ হলো, তো 10:45 ইমেল অ্যাড্রেসটা থাকবে, সো ইমেল অ্যাড্রেসে পাঠিয়ে দেবেন। ঠিক আছে, আর কোয়েশ্চেন যেগুলো আমি রিভিশন করাচ্ছি এর মধ্যে আসবে। সো হেল্প ইউর চাইল্ড, ওকে, মানে কিভাবে ওরা কি করবে আমি বলে দিচ্ছি। তো ওরা যেন ঠিকঠাকভাবে লিখে, গুড হ্যান্ড রাইটিং নিটলি লিখে পাঠায়। ওকে, দিস ইজ ফর দ্য প্যারেন্টসের জন্য। Now children, today we will discuss page number 20. This is page number 20. Now we have already discussed, when we discussed the chapter, that naming words are the name given to animals, people, places, things, etc. Isn't it? What is a noun? Naming word means, suppose Ravi, Ram, bottle, pen. Isn't it? This is a pen. This is a book. This is a name of something. I say book. Take out your book. So you'll take out this book. Take a pen. This is the name of this object. Isn't it? Pen. My name is Papia. This is the name given to me. Isn't it? So all these are called naming words. So what are naming words? Naming words are the name given to animals, places, things and people. Now there are two types of naming words. For you, for class 1, we'll discuss only two types of noun. Two types of naming words. So one is common name, while the others are called exact name. So we will learn common name and exact name. Common names are also known as common noun, and exact names are known as proper noun, that you will study in the next class. Okay, now we will know what are common name and what are exact name. Exact names are special name. Common names are the name of the people, places, thing in general. Okay, when I say pen, means any pen. It is a common name given to pen, this object, isn't it? like book, cat, umbrella. So these are all common names, isn't it? So a common name doesn't begin with capital letter. A common name is not required. It is not required necessary to write the common name. To when we write a common name, it's not necessary to begin the word with a capital letter unless it is the first word of the sentence. But when we come to exact names, so exact names are the special name. Suppose your name is Ravi, it is a special name for you. My name is Papia, it is my name, isn't it? So it is a special name given to me. So exact names are the special name given to people, animal, places, things. Suppose I say Kolkata. Kolkata is the special name given to a city. So Kolkata is an exact name. It is an exact name. When I say city, it may be any city. Calcutta, it may be Delhi, it may be Lucknow, isn't it? So city is the common name, and when I say Kolkata or Delhi or Uttar Pradesh, or Lucknow, then it is the exact name, the special name. This is the difference between exact name and common name. Now in exercise 1 in page number 20, you are asked to circle the naming words in the following sentences. So see, you can see few sentences, you are asked to circle the naming words only. All the naming words you will circle. See number 1, the first one is the elephant wants a friend. The elephant wants a friend. Elephant is name of an animal, so you will circle elephant. And friend is also a name, common name. It may be anyone. You have got so many friends, isn't it? So friends and elephant you will circle. Come to the next sentence. The frog jumped into the pond. The frog. Frog is name of an animal, so you will, it is a naming word, you will circle frog. And pond is name of a place, so you will circle. Then come to third sentence. The lion sleeps in the cave. So lion and cave. Lion is name of an elephant and cave is a place. Okay, where lion sleeps. The lion sleeps in the cave. They live. Okay. Now number D. Children go to school every day. Now children is also a common name and school is also a common name. So children and school. These are all what? Naming words, isn't it? So all are the naming words. The man with the drum is my father. Now the man is also a naming word, so you will circle man, and then drum, name of an object. So and my father, so father is also a naming word, common name. So this way you will circle all the naming words. I think you have done. So children, class 1, this is your homework. You will do this in your CW copy and send it for correction. Write neatly. Okay, understood? So naming words are the name given to animals, place, things and people. There are two. Now there are more kinds of noun, but for class 1 you will know only 2 kinds. Okay, that is common name and exact name. Okay, common names are the name given in general and exact names are the special name. Okay, thank you.